If you want to protect your WordPress website from content data or from copy, then you can disable right click and you can disable copy function on your website. So what you need to do is to go to plugins on your website once you have logged in, and then look for a plugin called copy protection. Now we have a number of plugins here, and as you can see, we have one common plugin which is called WP content copy protection and no right click. So this is what you want to enable on your website so that no one can right click on it, can save anything, or can highlight and copy information or content on your website. Go ahead and install it and then activate it. Now, as you can see, this plugin is actively updated and it is compatible with this WordPress website. Now it is activated. Now if we go to our plugins, we can see it is here. Now once you get here, go to settings and tap on it, and from here you can see the post protection has been enabled. We have here protection on posts, we have protection on homepage, and so many others. So leave it as it is. With these settings, you should be good to go. So go ahead and make sure that these ones are enabled, and then hit on save and you're good to go. Now go and try out and see if you can right click on any content on your website. So I'll go ahead, refresh my website, and I have here a page that I've just opened. Now let's see if we can highlight anything or if we can copy anything. So I'm trying to copy and it is completely disabled, so nothing can be copied on this website. I'm also trying to right click, it can't function. So that's how you protect your data or your content on your website using that plugin. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.